Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade fire extinguisher. Need some baking soda and vinegar and put them into a cup. I already have a fire lit in this cup, so we can use that when we're trying to put it out. So some vinegar, there we go, and add some baking soda. You want a good reaction, but you don't want one too big, they'll go out of the cup. Ooh, that may be a wrong one now. I got it too big. Okay, good. Nice. So, let's add some more fuel here so this fire burns a bit bigger. Make sure you have adult supervision while doing this. Oh, this paper is burning fast. So I'll just put a piece of paper. Oh, that's not burning. There we go. So we have a fire here. All you do is you just pour this right on top. And it's all extinguished. So we'll show it to you kind of one more time right now. So we'll show it to you one more time. This time our candle kind of got wrecked by that fire with all the paper. So this time I'm just going to light some paper, basically like this. So we already have another mixture ready, as you see there. This will take a couple of tries. Okay, let's try. I mean, my left hand is stronger than my right. I think this was made so then kids can't do it by themselves. So I'm trying as hard as I can. There we go. Let's try one more time. Okay, I think I'll be ready. There we go. Just like this. Add some more here so it starts burning a bit more. Nice. So all you do is you just pour it like this, and it's all extinguished. So this is how it works. Basically, when you do the vinegar and baking soda combination, creates carbon dioxide. And in the fire triangle, fire needs fuel, heat, and oxygen to survive. Now the carbon dioxide will take over the oxygen and send it out, so there's no oxygen for the fire to keep going. That's basically how it works. So if you just do it like this, it still won't work. The fire won't even light up because of the carbon dioxide. So all the oxygen is taken away and we get carbon dioxide. So if I take this, it just dies down right away. Oops, I don't think that touched the vent. Oh, there you go. That's good. Yep. So this is basically how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the fun stuff. And thanks for watching. See ya.